How to hide WhatsApp sender name from message. In this video, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be talking about how you're going to hide WhatsApp sender name on messages in the easiest and most simplest way. So to do this for yourself, what you're going to do is you're going to go over to your settings. And once you come over to your settings, you're going to go to your notifications. Once you come to notifications here, it says show previews. And once you come to show previews, you can choose always, never, or when unlocked, or never. Now, when it's on never, even right now, if I come here, you can see that it's not going to show what the notification is for, what the message is, or who the sender is. If I keep it on always, you can see it's going to tell you what the message is, who it's from, etc. And if I keep it on when unlocked, then if my phone is locked, then at that point, you will not be able to see the message. So that is pretty much about it. That is how you're going to be going ahead and getting a proper preview turn off when it comes to WhatsApp. So thank you for watching this video till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Have a great day. Goodbye.